Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will guide you on how to download Atomic Crypto Wallet. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up the Play Store or App Store on your device, and there search for Atomic Wallet. And once you found it, tap on Install button, and then the installation will be started. And once this app get installed, you will taken to this type of page, and from here, if you want to open up your Atomic Wallet, tap on Open button at the bottom of your screen. And there you go, you have successfully downloaded your Atomic Crypto Wallet. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to download Atomic Crypto Wallet. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.